This isn't a parking ticket. This is a full-on property showdown. Robert Boyd is about to face a judge over a garage, junk vehicles, and enough code violations to start a reality show. Watch how fast excuses stack up against court orders.
You with a lawyer if you want. This is a review hearing.
No, it's not.
You waive your right to a lawyer.
I do.
Name.
Statement for the Attorney Process Township.
Rob Harris, Inspector, Brown South Township.
Please tell me he did what I told him to do.
As of yesterday at about 2 p.m., no.
Nothing?
Nothing. The property looks worse.
You're going to force me to do something I don't want to do, Mr. Boyd.
I've done a lot of work out there. I've,
Okay, let me just go through this with you then. Okay? I ordered that the garage must be torn down and removed from the property on or before September 15, 25, and the undersurface filled to grade level. Did you do that?
no,
I ordered that all non-permitted accessory structures be removed from the property. Did you do that?
what structure would that be?
Remind me.
It's like the mobile home.
Right.
Use as storage.
Rob was supposed to give me a phone number, a place that takes RV.
Why don't you tell me what?
Listen closely. Every order the judge lists is a court mandate, not a suggestion. In code enforcement hearings, each missed deadline is another nail in the legal coffin, literally. Failure to comply can mean fines, liens, or even jail time, which this judge is clearly warming up to.
You've done. I ordered you to have all vehicles on the property licensed and operable, and that they had to be located on a concrete or asphalt driveway surface. When I read these to you, you can interrupt me. You can stop me and say, Judge, I did that. Did you do that one?
No, sir.
I also said all inoperable vehicles have to be stored inside an enclosed building or removed from the property on or before October 1. Did you do that?
Partially.
I also ordered that all recreational vehicles have to be operable as well as licensed and registered to the owner or occupant of the property. Did you do that?
Yes, sir.
Did he?
I have no proof of that. I've called for inspection, no return call, I had never received.
Recreational vehicles must be stored on hard or pervious concrete, asphalt, permeable grass, pavers, or gravel surface. Recreational vehicles have to be used for their intended purpose and not as storage. Winter boat storage is only permitted on residential waterfront surfaces and therefore not permitted at the property. Junk, trash, rubbish, tarps, anything that creates rodent harborage or refuse of any kind needs to be removed. The weeds, grass, and undergrowth must be cut and maintained so as not to be higher than 8 inches. And I also ordered that prior to the review hearing of actually today or September 26th, I said, defendant is to permit Brownstown officials on the property for a compliance inspection. Did you allow them?
This isn't just about one messy yard. Uncut weeds, junk vehicles, and unsafe structures can drag down entire property values and trigger rodent infestations. The law calls it public nuisance. Neighbors call it, why can't this guy just clean up?
Did you call there?
Yeah.
Did he call you and he never called you back? Why didn't you do that?
Didn't get it.
Listen, Mr. Boyd.
There are some circumstances here I'd like to tell you about.
Mr. Boyd, I'm going to listen to you, but it's not like this just started. This has been going on for, as I understand it, how long?
Well, there's opens for over a couple of years, and then I took it on at least 8 months ago.
And the property's getting worse. I went out there. I didn't want to touch anything. I want to listen to what you have to say. I'm going to shut up and let you talk. Tell me whatever you'd like to tell me.
Well, I'm chairman of the Wayne County Canvassing Committee. We had an election. That was 2 weeks. Every day. when you have election, birthdays don't count, holidays don't count. We have to be there every day for 2 weeks.
When was that?
It was trying to think of the date.
Well, 2 weeks, but I ordered this.
Yeah, well,
I ordered this back on July 30. This is September. So since July 30, just to do some quick math for you, we've had 32. We've had 56 days. So even if you were tied up in some kind of an election, for 14 of those, you still had 42 days.
yeah.
What else? What else? I want to listen to your extenuating
I
circumstances.
had a family reunion that was put on me and I didn't know about.
Mr. Boyd?
That was 4 days.
You've had 2 years.
Election duties, family reunions, bad weather. Boyd's list of delays is growing faster than the weeds in his yard. But here's the kicker. The judge already gave him 56 days since the last order. In legal math, that's about 55 days too many.
The property's junk.
I'm working on it.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
That'd be like, no, you're
I
not.
got the boat out for sale up near the road. I got,
Now you're going to tell me it's bad weather and you can't do this stuff. I don't know what to do with him. I'm going to be completely candid. I don't know what to do. Because he's not going to listen. He's not going to comply with the orders. He's not defiant. No, you're not. No, you're not. You're not going to comply with orders. You're going to give me every excuse under the sun. And this can't go on. It just can't go on. And you're going to force me to put you in jail today. And I don't want to do that.
I want to go.
I feel like I've begged you to do these things and you're not doing them. And then last time I got a little more forceful and I ordered you to do it and you haven't done anything.
The judge is hinting at contempt of court, which is legal speak for follow my orders or enjoy a concrete hotel. Notice how she tests his honesty. Judges hate nothing more than a defendant who lies under oath.
I'm working this.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Come on. Don't lie to me.
I'm not.
I don't like people that lie to me. I think there's nothing worse than a person that stands in the courtroom and looks a judge in the eye and lies to them. This is, I don't know what to do with you. I don't know what to do with you other than jail you, because I'm not going to get your attention. You're going to give me every excuse under the sun. Reunions, elections, 2-week election for a canvass presidency or whatever you.
The election is 14 days.
I just don't know what to do with him anymore. It's fully Carter. Am I supposed to put him in jail or am I supposed to just let him defy orders? That's basically my options here.
I am working on it.
Why didn't you call him back?
Pardon? Oh, I didn't get.
Why didn't you call him back?
I didn't get it. I didn't get his call.
Did you leave a message? When?
It's been probably 3-4 weeks, but I've been out to the property. I mean, I drive by it probably at least twice weekly. There's been no guy.
I knew this was going to happen.
It doesn't work.
I knew this was going to happen. I just knew this was going to happen. I was 1,000% positive that this is what was going to happen, and I was going to have to sit here now and decide, do I let in gentlemen like Mr. Boyd, and you are a gentleman, defy orders repeatedly, or do I send you to jail? And I don't think I have an option.
And there it is, 5 days in jail. This isn't punishment for a dirty yard. It's a technical violation for ignoring a lawful order. The message is clear. Excuses don't beat enforcement.
I need more time.
You're going to serve 5 days jail starting today, sir. It's first technical. I'm sorry, that's what I'm doing. Defendant to serve 5 days jail forthwith. And
Hard to do any work from jail.
Listen,
I'm gonna make a promise to you. You do this again, you're gonna be sitting in there over Christmas. I'm promising. I'm not playing games with you. That's a junkyard. You have neighbors. They don't need to have that blight by their house. My God, who would buy a house anywhere near there? I don't know what else to do. You're in custody for 5 days. Good luck. We're going to set another review. Lisa, give me another review hearing date in a month. If you don't have it done, sir, I'm telling you, bring your toothbrush and 85 pairs of clean underwear. Do we understand one another?
I do.
Good. Okay, new review hearing date, and you're going to allow him access too the minute he's out. The minute you're out, you answer his phone calls. I'm sorry, Lisa, go ahead.
October 22nd at 8:30.
October 22nd at 8:30. What is your phone number, Mr. Boyd? I don't know what else to do.
My concern is, Mr. Boyd's had problems with ordinance since I was in middle school, as far as I'm concerned. This continues to happen. This citation was issued back in April. It's not only the neighbors and the blight issue, it's also the dangerousness of the building, especially that garage. He hasn't taken out any permits or anything of that nature, so he's had no intention to comply.
No, I've just heard excuse after excuse.
Gotta have a permit.
And I knew.
Demolition permit, but you'd have to at least have the building inspector out there to make sure that the structure can come down, if there's electricity there, and what the plan is. So you can't just demolish it and have everything sit there. So that you'd have to have a plan, at least at minimal, approved by the building inspector for any demolition.
But he told me that.
Mr. Boyd, listen, you brought this on yourself. I don't want to do this.
Yeah, he never informed me about that.
I know, it's their fault. I don't want to hear it.